DMT is the most powerful hallucinogen known. 5 minutes of use feels like hours in another dimension. Meet the spirit molecule. It comes from plants. It is also produced naturally inside the human brain, though its purpose remains a scientific mystery. DMT is smoked, snorted, or taken orally via ayahuasca. The smoked version hits hardest and fastest, brain contact in seconds. DMT crosses the blood-brain barrier instantly. Within seconds, the user transitions from this reality to an entirely different dimension. Unlike other hallucinogens, DMT does not distort your current reality. It replaces it entirely. You are no longer in your body or room. The first signs appear within seconds. Body weight increases dramatically. The user feels anchored to the ground, then begins to rise. The visuals arrive. Impossible geometric patterns fill perception. Colors that do not exist in normal reality bloom everywhere. Breakthrough imminent. The entities arrive. Beings of impossible complexity. Users report communication without words. Profound meaning transfer. First contact. The experience feels eternal. Minutes are hours. Hours could be lifetimes. Time stops meaning anything. Pure presence in another world. Users report meeting entities who seem to recognize them. Some describe them as guides, others as intelligence itself. The interaction is profound.
Many users report profound spiritual or philosophical insights. The meaning feels universe scale. Some describe it as touching the divine. The experience is completely non-violent. No fear, no terror, no aggression. Even difficult experiences feel profound rather than traumatic. The return is sudden. The entities fade. The geometric realm collapses. The user crashes back into their body in their room. The after effects are physical. Rapid heart rate, trembling, difficulty speaking or moving. The body takes a moment to remember how to work. Most users spend hours processing what happened. The experience is so significant, it requires psychological integration. Some take days or weeks. DMT has minimal physical toxicity, but the psychological experience is so intense, it can cause lasting psychological effects, both positive and difficult. Long-term studies show that many DMT users experience lasting positive changes in outlook, spirituality, and life satisfaction for months or years. However, some users experience lasting psychological disruption, difficulty returning to ordinary reality, existential questioning that destabilizes their life. Pre-existing mental illness is a genuine concern. Psychosis, schizophrenia, and severe anxiety history suggest avoiding DMT completely. Street DMT varies wildly in purity and dosage. Contamination is common. The variation in experience can be dangerous and unpredictable.
Set and setting are absolutely critical. A safe, comfortable space with a trusted person nearby is the minimum requirement for safety. DMT use has deep roots in indigenous medicine. Shamans used ayahuasca for healing and spiritual communion for centuries before Western science discovered it. Modern research suggests potential therapeutic applications for depression, PTSD, and existential anxiety in terminal cancer patients. DMT is profound, but not recreational. The experience transcends simple pleasure. It is genuinely transformative, in ways both beautiful and complex. Comparing DMT to recreational drugs misses the point. It is in a completely different category. Comparing it to meditation is closer to understanding it. If you choose to use DMT, approach it with utmost respect. Prepare thoroughly, have a safe environment, and be ready for the unknown. The entities remain a mystery. Are they hallucinations? Parallel consciousness? Interdimensional beings? Science has no consensus yet. What we do know, DMT is the only drug that seems to offer genuine communication with something outside ourselves. Real or hallucination, it is unprecedented. Science is still catching up. Consciousness research is accelerating. The mystery of DMT and the entities it reveals is among the deepest questions we can ask. The spirit molecule remains a mystery. Maybe it always will. What matters is treating it with the reverence this unprecedented experience deserves. The most mysterious molecule, the least understood experience. The deepest question about consciousness itself. Class dismissed.